Hi, my name is Laura. I'm an artist, and I'm going to show you how to draw a horse's head for kids. So being that it's for kids, it should be fun, it should be simple, and, well, to be fun, I'm going to be pink. Or it's going to be pink. So we'll start with the top of the horse's head and move our way down. So we'll leave it a little bit of room for the eye. This is its brow, and it's going to be sort of silhouette-y. Come down straight nose. And then around the side. And then give it like a swoop back. But give it room for its cheeks. We'll give it an eye. Big round eye with a round center. I don't want to give it a brow. We'll give it round eyes on both sides. Nostrils. Lip. I'm going to erase that right there. Give it ears, which are essentially upside down triangles. There's a little circle in it to emphasize the inner side. And then a little patch of hair on top and down to its mane. And then its neck. And there you have a horse's head for kids.